guys, I'm Ujisha Srivastava and this is my first ever video that I'm shooting. And I know the lighting and the mic quality isn't that good. But you know what? I didn't wanted to wait for everything to be like ready. I just felt like if I keep waiting for the perfect setup, I'll never really begin. I've been waiting to start this channel for so long. And today we are doing it. I'm starting with something I truly love, which is makeup. You can actually wear to college parties and events. And obviously I'll sneak in a few hacks too. So yeah, let's get started together. Okay, so let's start with a clean face. I'm going in with the Insight Primer first. It seriously makes the base look so smooth and prepped without feeling heavy. And apply it all over here. Now next comes this Swiss Beauty Concealer. I use the darkest shade. Well, let's just say my sleep schedule is a scam. But this one doesn't make my under eye look grey. I blend with my fingers. You can use a beauty blender too, but I feel like my fingers work the job really nicely. Can you see? Wow. If you want to, you can just dab with a beauty blender. My dark circles are gone. Now I'll use foundation. I'm using this Rennie foundation. This baby is so lightweight and doesn't oxidize at the same time. Can you imagine how hard it is to find a foundation that doesn't oxidize? So I'm gonna use one pump of this foundation and just use this beauty blender on the back of my hand and just तुम्हें लगेगा कि थोड़ा मेरे शेड से मैच नहीं कर रहा है, बट ये वर्क कर जाता है मेरे लिए एटलीस्ट. Now I layer it up with the Lakme Mousse CC cream just to get that extra even tone and soft finish. So this is the packaging if anybody cares. So it just blends like glue. It's so smooth. Okay, so there is this little hack. Use any old or lighter shade foundation you got lying around and mix it with a bit of moisturizer and apply it on your neck. That is the easiest way to match your neck and face without wasting your fave products. This is the hack that I use. I am using this My Glam one. It is not of my shade. I don't like to use it also on my face because it's very heavy. So I use it on my neck. Then to set everything, I'm using this Lakme Compact. It just locks the base without making it cakey. I never skip this step, especially in the humid weather. Okay, so my base is ready now. So now comes this Mars Brow Pencil. I swear by this one. I'm gonna use it on my brows, nose contouring, and as a lip liner. You also have to make sure you're not using a jet black or super ashy browns because it just ruins your makeup if you're using the wrong shades. Okay, so I'm done. So now comes the powder contouring. This one is from a local shop, but it works like magic on my chubby cheeks. Also, I'll be doubling it as eyeshadow because I love to multi-use things. So let's So now I'll use this as an eyeshadow. You just have to trust the process, guys. I'm not using any eyeliner. You can use if you want to, but I don't use eyeliner that much. So the next thing that I'll be using is my favorite. It's a blush. I use blush from Just Herbs, which is in the shade Pale Pink. I use a little bit on my nose and on the chin. On top of it, I use this LA18 Colourpop matte lipstick, which is in the shade W13, and this one is purple. Okay, you just see the difference. It literally stays put for like all day. So now comes my favorite part. I'm using this Inside Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Cosmic Power. It is so natural and there is no chunky glitter in it. So I'll just place it on my nose tip, cheekbone, okay, on this nose bridge, brow bone, and cupid bows for the glow finish. Then we'll use an eyelash curler. It's really an important step, trust me on that. If you're going out for a few hours, just curl them and dab a little petroleum jelly on top. It holds the curl and makes the lashes look like naturally hairy. I don't know the word, but you're getting it right. So yeah. Normally I skip mascara for daily basis because it damages lashes over time. But for a longer wear day, I'm using Swiss Beauty mascara. It's so affordable, but it works like a high-end one. Lastly comes the lipstick. Oh, I forgot. We can use the highlighter on the inner corner also. So lastly comes the lipstick. So I'll just zoom in a little. You have to go from the inner lining of the lips to the outer one, and then again to the inner one. Applying my lipstick, I'm using these two shades. Both are from Inside Cosmetics. The red one is in the shade A7 Red Carpet, and the darker one is in the shade A25 Very Very. So I'm using this lighter one inside. Just mix it with the darker one. Okay, so if you have watched till here, thank you so much. Like really, it is just the beginning for me and your support means the world. Also, I'm still figuring out this whole YouTube thing. So expect a little chaos, some experimenting and a lot of love. If this video helped you even a little bit, leave me a comment. Tell me what you like, and if you vibe with me, you can stick around. Okay, bye. See you in the next one.